Hi, welcome to this video where I will tell you that what are the best review apps on Shopify. So let's get started. Top best review apps of Shopify. We are starting with the least to top. Number one is Luke's app. Loox is a popular app for Shopify that provides photo reviews and other features to help businesses build trust and increase sales. It allows customers to submit photo reviews of products they have purchased, which can be displayed on the business's website. The app also includes features like email review requests, customizable review widgets, and social sharing options. For Shopify merchants seeking to collect reviews, another app is stamped.io. Is This is another great option available on the Shopify store. One of the greatest factors contributing to the platform's popularity is that it is trusted by some of the biggest companies on Shopify. Another app is Fera. Fera is a Shopify app that helps e-commerce businesses increase conversions and sales by providing various social proof and marketing tools. It offers several features to enhance customer engagement. It supports it supports customer rewards such as loyalty points, cashbacks, and discounts. Now, another app is Judge.me. Judge.me is a great option for merchants seeking an affordable tool to market their Shopify store using product reviews. Judge.me has a free option offering a ton of SEO features. This is an automatic feature since it nudges the customer to do the reviews using email. Another is Yotpo offers some unique features that make it stand apart from the tools listed above. Firstly, with the tool, you can collect reviews from multiple products with a single click. Moreover, it offers SMS marketing solutions, a feature we haven't seen with any listed applications. Another app is Ali Reviews is a popular Shopify app that allows businesses to display product reviews and ratings on their online stores. It enables you to import and showcase reviews from AliExpress, a popular e-commerce platform, on your Shopify store. Some key features of the Ali Reviews app include review import, review display, review requests, and customization. So that's all for this video. Here I have told you what are the best review apps on Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.